Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade like the fair. First, select 6 to 8 ripe lemons, aiming for about 1 1/2 cups of fresh juice. You'll also need 2 cups of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure your lemons are firm and bright yellow for the best flavor. Having a good juicer and a large pitcher ready will make the process much smoother. Next, let's create our simple syrup, which is key to that smooth fair taste. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of sugar with 2 cups of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Do not boil it, just ensure it's clear. While that cools, roll your lemons firmly on a counter before cutting them in half to get the most juice. Now it's time to bring it all together. Juice your lemons until you have about 1 1/2 cups of fresh lemon juice. Make sure to strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to catch any seeds or pulp, ensuring a perfectly smooth drink. In your large pitcher, combine the cooled simple syrup with the strained lemon juice and the remaining 2 cups of cold water. Stir well to fully combine. For the best fair-style experience, chill your lemonade for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it over plenty of ice, perhaps with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an extra touch. It's incredibly refreshing and tastes just like a summer day at the fair. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.